Hello, my name is Eric. A couple days ago, channel named Etho's Lab had an idea for a clock design when, depending on what time it was in game, its respective hour hand would pop up along with the light. In his video, he said that he tried to do it and it didn't really work, so I decided to give it a shot. So basically, if it was 12, the 12th hand would pop up along with the light. If it was 1, one hand would pop up. 2, the second hand would pop up along with its light, and all the way around, just like a clock. So this over here was my first attempt. Didn't really like it. It was a little bit too spaced out, and there was some problem getting power to some specific pistons in the first half of the clock. The reason why I only did one side was because essentially you could just mirror the whole thing and it would just work. So I decided to scrap the design and try again. This one over here is a lot better. It's a lot smaller. The way I got the middle to work was by doing a quick pulse to the second hand and the fourth hand so that the third hand would be able to extend. If I didn't do this, then the slime blocks would change the position of some blocks, and that's just not good. So overall, this design was pretty good, but I thought maybe I could compact it even more, so I tried it again. So this over here is my third attempt. Definitely a lot smaller. Everything works, but I want to try it again, so this is my final attempt over here. So this over here is the piston / slime block layout. The reason why these are slime blocks and not pistons is because if you were to power, let's say, this one over here, then the piston under it would be powered also with the diagonal powering. So one way to get rid of that is by doing slime blocks. This actually simplifies the build a lot. I'll just do a scan of the build right now, so if someone wants to copy the design, then feel free to. I'll try to take pictures of it or something. I'm not too sure, but I'll just fly around it and maybe you can see what's going on. And I'm not too sure how to do like a download to this world or this design, but this is also a ghost block, just so you know. But I don't know, maybe someone can copy this and then if they have like a Mediafire account, or I'll make something, I don't know. But and then here, so if you want to copy the design, feel free to do so. A little bit confusing, but I'm sure you guys will be able to figure it out. This block is unnecessary. Now, something that is important is this little cross section right here. So from this line over here, it goes up 1, and then it goes left 1 if you're looking this way. So left 1, and then it goes onto the lamp, onto here, and then it uses a slab that goes into this block over here, and it goes into another, this one goes into another slab that goes into this piston. And then make sure that these are obsidian blocks or blocks that are not movable because of these slime blocks. So that's basically my clock design. I'll say it again, if anyone wants to use it, feel free to do so. A couple things I want to point out is that you can't actually make the face completely flat because of the slime blocks. If you were to put any movable block between the second hand and the fourth hand, the 2 blocks on the top and bottom would move because of the slime block. Something like obsidian would be fine. Another thing I like to point out is that the way the lamp on the 5th and the 7th hand are powered directly on its face, meaning that there's redstone dust on the actual lamp. If you wanted to make the face flat, that would be a problem. There are other ways to power it, but I couldn't really find any clean solution to it. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with everyone. Maybe if they wanted a clock and didn't know how to do one, this is an option. Etho, if you're watching this, you can use this for your clock tower. I give you permission. But anyway, thank you. This is my first video, so any comments or questions, please comment it down below. My name is Eric. Thank you.